Okay, guys, I think I have to apologize because this is Zoom. I cannot use it for more than 40 minutes. Now let me share my screen and let's go back to the question that I tried to ask you. Okay, so if you hear me, I'm Sonia. I told you
Yes, I'm here.
yes,
Yes.
and I think I have to repeat what I've said. Okay. Some
Okay.
people again asked me in the past if I have any kids, but I said no. And when I said no, they told me it's too late. Even if you want to have a kid now, you will not witness his or her graduation. You will not witness the marriage. You will not be grandfather. Are they right?
Uh, it depends.
How?
It depends. Uh, having having children or having a child uh, at 18th, I
Uh-huh.
think, and not being mature is not better than having a child in 38 and taking care of him. It depends of the person. I don't think, in my experience,
Mm-hmm.
uh, it depends. It's about being ready to have children.
Mm.
It's not about age. It's not only about age. Of course, the age for women is important to have children before 50 age old, 50 years old. But
Too much,
آه،
Sonia, too much, 50.
لا
It's too
لا
much.
عمول بالنسبة للنساء for
I
women
think, I know,
it's important
at 40, it is
to get
critical.
mm,
You cannot run after your kids. Go away, go. You cannot run, you cannot walk. You will be that
Yes.
old. Come on.
Mm.
Yes, okay.
And I
uh,
don't,
Yeah.
if we are
Mhm.
شو بقول suffisamment athletic, if we take care about our health, our psychology, هلا I think
Good
it
answer.
depends.
Yeah, good answer. Thank you, Sonia. Okay.
Thank-
By the way, Sonia, I have to thank you for using mature. And if you want to say an age, you have to say at 18, at 19, at the 20.
Okay.
This is not
Not
a date.
19.
Yeah, this is not a
Not
date to say
19.
nine. Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
19th or 16th. You want to use the ordinal numbers?
19.
No, you have to say, or you have to use the cardinal numbers.
Mm, okay.
Amazing. Okay. So, guys, this is about this question. Now I have to go back to Rima again to ask her this question. Now, in the country that we live in, how old must you be to smoke, drink, drive, and get married?
in my country, and there is no precise old to get married. We
Uh-huh.
can get married at the age we find
12?
our partner. It is not precise old, but I think in my family, I
Mm-hmm.
can say about my family, my big family, not my small family at home. Yani. Maybe all guys in my big family get married at between 20 and 30, 35. They can smoke at 18. uh, I think some of them smoke before that, and I smoke at 23.
23. Oh, that's good. Some people start smoking
But
only
I
when they're
quit. But I quit while I was pregnant. Of course, I
What
I don't smoke while I am pregnant.
what about now?
Uh, yeah.
Do you smoke?
For drinking, what?
What about now? Do you smoke?
Yes, I smoke.
Okay. What about
Yeah.
drinking? I mean drinking alcohol. Rima?
No, for drinking alcohol, it is not allowed in our religion. So, if someone drink alcohol, it drinks it only in شو بالمناسبات in يعني
occasions.
yes, occasion. We can drive at 18. We
Mm.
can take our license at 18.
Mhm.
We take it, all of us. We take it at 18.
Mm.
Yes.
Amazing. Okay, Rima, thank you so much. Okay, now, Hanadi, do you agree with Rima? Rima said that there is no certain age for marriage.
Yes, for this point, yes, because I said it before, and when you find the right person, you can get married. But for smoking and drinking, I don't agree with Rima.
Is there a certain age to smoke or drink?
No, because I think that smoking or drinking is not good for our health. So we should not precise an age for smoking or drinking. We should say that it's not healthy. So maybe we should not smoke or drink.
Amazing.
We
Okay,
can drive at 18.
It's absolutely right what you said, Hanadi. It is not allowed. It is not good for health. But some guys in the families or in the country, they make it. They
But
make
when
it
you
without
say-
our agreement.
Yes, I know. But when you say to someone you can smoke at 18,
No,
it
I
feels
can't.
like you.
I don't.
Ah,
No, of course,
yes.
I don't say. I don't say like this. You can, my son, come. You can smoke at 18. No, it's okay. Absolutely no.
Maybe if we don't have another choice, it's better to smoke after 18, but it's better to say, and you should not smoke or drink.
Yes, of course.
This is
Yes,
my
of
point of view.
course. Yes, of
Hanadi,
course.
this is applied for the West countries. You notice that some supermarkets, it's the law, some supermarkets won't be able to sell any kid under 18 alcohol or maybe cigarettes.
Yes.
So it's applied,
Yes,
thank
of
you.
course.
But wait, Hanadi, I think I need just to get something very clear. You said that you agreed with Rima, there is no certain time to get married if you find the right person. What if I really find the right person and I'm 12? Can I get married?
No, you have to find the right person and you have the good conditions to get married. يعني you have to have a work, maybe have a good work, good salary. So you have a lot of points, more than having the good person.
Amazing. Okay. Thank you so much, Hanadi. This is really great. Sonia, what do you think? When can I smoke? I want to drink, I want to drive, and I want to get married. When can I do these?
If I allow you to do
Yes.
this, driving, we can, يعني, someone can teach us how to drive before 18.
Amazing.
But I prefer to take the car and to drive alone at 18 and after.
What about driver license? Can I get it before 18?
License. No.
So this is why if I want to have my own car, if I want to buy a car, I have to. Okay. I want to.
Smoking and drinking. Smoking and drinking. It depends of the persons. يعني I don't smoke and I don't drink a lot. But about marriage, we always said we have to find the right person and etc. But I think if we have a chance we can find the good person. It's not easy to find someone to find a good spouse or husband.
Amazing. Okay. Wait, Sonia,
And
because
it's not we have to.
Mhm.
It's we try to we tend to. Yes.
Okay. According to smoking, you said it depends on the person.
Yes.
What if I'm 10 and I want to smoke because I've seen my father smoking? Can I do that?
Can you do that?
Yes. Can I smoke at 10 just because I've seen some people smoking and I want to be like them? You said
Here
that.
also,
Uh-huh.
it's not allowed. It's not allowed to smoke at 10, but in the reality, I see children smoking.
So is it good for them?
No, it's not good for them.
Uh-huh.
For sure, it's not good for them, but it's the reality.
It's the reality. Okay. Thank you so much, Sonia. It
Thank
was
you.
really amazing. Okay. Guys, before we complete, I don't know if Dr. Aisha told you that because we have to meet only once a week, at least our class should last for 1.5 hours.
For next
No,
time.
For the
no,
next
she
time.
didn't.
Ah,
She didn't
Okay.
tell us.
Let me tell you what Dr. Aisha told me. She told me because most of you are really busy, we have to meet only on Tuesdays. This is number one.
Yes.
Number two, absolutely, Tuesdays at 7. But I told Dr. Aisha because it's only once a week, we have to meet for 1.5 hours. Do you have a problem?
No,
No,
it's
no,
good for
it's
us.
good. It's
Hanadi,
good.
Not from my side.
it is good. What about now? Can we complete for 1.5 hours, or because it's the first class, you need to stop now?
I have
I
a
can.
meeting with I have a meeting with the order of psychologists, so you can continue if you want, but I at 8 o'clock my meetings will start.
Start. So you are a little busy. What about you, Rima and Hanadi?
And I can continue, but if you want to
لا.
stop, I can stop also.
Now Hanadi
Feel
is
free to continue as you like, please.
Hanadi is going
Me
to
too.
decide what.
Me too, I can continue,
Oh,
but maybe it's better to keep it
yes,
to
it
next
is.
time
Do you
because
know
of
why?
Sana.
Yeah, because of Sonia, because of Sana, because of
Yes.
yeah, please, you have to come. Okay. So please, guys, as I told you, try to be here because it's speaking. You need to practice. It's not about watching the recording because if you want to do so, you can easily go to YouTube and watch as much as videos as you can. Please try to be
No,
here.
it's
We need to.
amazing to assist to this class.
Absolutely.
Yes.
This is speaking.
Yes,
Please, this is not the grammar.
it is good.
Hmm.
It is good.
Okay. So
Okay.
I'm really happy just to meet you again. And I'm happy to meet you, Hanadi. You are amazing. Your English is
Thank you.
extremely good. I loved it. And I'm
Thank you.
waiting to meet Sana. What is the name of the fifth girl? Sana and
I
whom?
don't. Miriam.
Maria, yeah, please. Okay, so we hope the next week we'll meet them because I really missed Mariam.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
All of
so
us.
really nice to meet you guys, and I have to wish a good night for you. Thank you for
Thank
Good
you.
night. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye 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 bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.